For this next part, I've gone ahead and drilled out the hole for the speaker. I just put it in so that it I centered it, tried to center it as much as I could by this brace, and then centered it this way. The speaker I'm using is an 8-ohm speaker, 3-inch hole, so I just went ahead and drilled a 3-inch hole. And the speaker will sit like this, and then we'll put a cover over it. So I'm just going to go ahead and off camera I'm going to go ahead and drill the mounting holes for the speaker, and we'll get it set up. Okay, speaker's in. I'm going to go ahead now and put on the guard. Got the holes pre-drilled for it. I'm going to go ahead and paint this guard black, so I'm just going to dry fit it on here right now. Alright, there we go. Speaker with the guard on it. Just make sure everything's fitting properly. Alright, you can see in there, I'm just going to look to see the speaker's got a lot of clearance. Alright, everything looks good. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and fit the board in there, put in the power jack, and then we'll be ready to go. So I'll probably just put that here on this brace. Let's see that there. I'll probably just put that here on the brace. Put the power connector on the side here, and then I'll show you what this looks like when it's all hooked up. Alright, we're back. So I've got everything put onto the box. Speaker in here. Zoom in here a little bit. So the speaker, the audio board with the Bluetooth and the amplifier, got the meter back on. On the switch we have power, and we have audio here. We're using these 3 pins here for our auxiliary input. So we've got ground, left and right. And on the side here we have a power connector right there. So let me go ahead and button this up, and we'll give it a sound test. Alright, we're back, and here it is. All buttoned up. Got the speaker on the back, got the speaker grill painted up and on there. So everything is ready to go. Alright, so we've got the selector knob. This doesn't really do anything, it just twirls around. On, off, and volume here. These are going to be our auxiliary inputs. This will be our auxiliary common or ground. This will be left channel, right channel, and I showed you on the inside where those wires are. And I'll go ahead and make up a cable so that we could use these for the auxiliaries. I just have to locate some pin jacks in my box of spare parts and get that set up. But let's go ahead and hear what this sounds like. We turn this on, and you see the lights come up on the meter. Alright, that sounds really good. I'm really pleased with the way this thing turned out. So again, we took a Radio City product super tester and Bluetoothed it, put a speaker in the back, fixed the meter to the middle, put some LED lights in it, put Bluetooth in it, put an amplifier in it, have these for our aux inputs tied into the original on-off, or the AC/DC 0 switch, as now that's going to be our on-off volume switch. And all in all, I think this project turned out really well. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like these type of projects, hopefully I'll get some more of these in the future. And as always, thanks for watching.